Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 21 Pro and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number in this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings. So of course I will show you both, and let's begin with the shorter one, so the code. Let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another way which you can use if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and after scrolling a little you'll be able to check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and after tapping on Model and Hardware you will be able to check the serial number of this device. So well, actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.